Good morning, adventurers. I'm here at Woodland Trails Regional Park for a day hike today. Alright, just getting started. It's a beautiful morning. It's about 6, just after 6 this morning, just after sunrise. It is about 60 degrees. Beautiful day. Sun's just coming up. Nice clear sky. Beautiful day. We're here at Woodland Trails Regional Park. This is a big, 370 acre regional park here that has a bunch of trails going all over the place. So I have a squiggly little loop picked out. It's about a little over 6 miles. So I think these trails are somewhat newly paved, because as far as I was understanding, my trails were supposed to be like that. Just mowed down cross-country ski trails. But it looks like they just went ahead and paved it all. Put in some benches and everything. Alright. So I just got off the paved trail back there, and I found this trail that goes off on a little wooded trail here that kind of follows parallel to that trail, and then it'll reconnect later on. I'm gonna go this way. Glad I went this way. This is much nicer. Looks like there's some kind of little old dam here, but has been broken and rotting away. Alright, well, we're at Bridge Junction. I think we're going to be going that way. So there are lots of unpaved trails here. Good. I thought we were going to be walking on that paved trail the whole time. That was not much fun. Caution. The gravity box. This must be the gravity box. A big steep hill down into a big steep uphill. Only maybe a mile and a half in, but this place is kind of confusing. There's so many trails here. Oh, most of which are not on my map, but this is obviously a pretty popular place for cross-country skiing. So if you like cross-country skiing, you should probably check this place out in the wintertime. Oh, because there's ski trails everywhere. Just as an example here, there's a 1, 2, 4, like a 6-way intersection right here. Look at this. They do have maps and stuff, so that's nice, but it's kind of confusing. I gotta really stay on my toes, make sure I'm going the right direction. Top of the world here was actually marked on Google Maps, and I didn't know what it was. Now we know what it means. Just made a pretty big climb up the steep hill here. Can't even see it, it's so steep. And we're about to go down this way. So we're on top of this big hill. No view though. Just the sound of someone's chickens crowing. Awesome. Just saw some deer over there, but man, they're so quick, they're gone. Alright, adventurers. 3 miles in. Found a nice big log here to sit on. I got a little snack here. Banana and a tangerine. Take a little break here. Alright, back on the trail. Sat there for about 20 minutes. Snacked and just relaxed, listening to the sounds of the birds and stuff talking to each other. So relaxing just sitting there deep in the woods somewhere, listening to the sounds of nature. But got about 3 miles left, and according to this sign here, Bull Snake Run. I just noticed through the trees down there is a shooting range. There's a big clearing with the shooting stands and targets over on the other end. And then right as I noticed that, I saw this sign. Shooting range. Doesn't look like anyone's there right now. Ooh, swampy. So, just came across this little like birdhouse thing hanging on a tree. It's really small, painted and everything. It said 500 fines on it. I was like, what is this? I touched it, and a couple of bees came out of the hole in the house, so I just ran. Oh, probably a nest of bees living inside. Yikes. So, back on the pavement. You know what that means. Back to the car. Almost there. So this is a really nice place. Quiet. I didn't really see I don't think I saw anybody. Well, I saw someone else hiking on a different trail, but not on my trail. Just a beautiful place. It looks like they put a lot of work into maintaining the trails here. They were beautifully done. Pretty hilly, constantly going up and down. Some fairly steep little hills too. But it's a good workout. Not really any views. Mostly green tunnel, but it's a pretty good variety from thick jungly type forest to wide open groves and some little swampy ponds in there. Good little variety. Here at the parking lot, they also have like a picnic area. There's like a community fire pit thing here. There's a picnic shelter up here. So, pretty nice place. There's definitely plenty of trails here. If you like cross-country skiing, this looks like the place to be. I'm not a cross-country skier, but this looks like the place to be for cross-country skiers. It looks like there's trails all over the place back there, miles and miles of trails. There's an archery range over here. There was a shooting range. So, plenty of good stuff. This looks like a really nice archery range too. Well, if you enjoyed this hike, give me a like, subscribe. See if we can get to 500 subscribers. Thanks everyone for joining me. Had fun. I'll see you next Monday right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.